What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Cece coming right back at you with another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Cece and this is my fitness channel where I hope to inspire you to live your healthy, most authentic life, whatever that looks like for you. I really like to share my fitness journey with you guys and also just emphasize individuality. I want to promote the understanding that not everyone's journey is linear or even the same, so just be sure to subscribe for more of that. In today's vlog, I'll be showing you guys what I ate on vacation this past weekend. We were so blessed because one of my mom's coworkers has a beautiful condo right off the beach in North Carolina, and we got the chance to stay there. So this is what I ended up eating while on vacation. First thing I had today was actually a caramel latte from Starbucks. We woke up really early, around 3:30 a.m. to drive the 6 hours to the beach. So first stop, coffee. I forgot to film, but we did have some snacks in the car, which mainly consisted of salami, pickles, cheese with some crackers. Very light but tasty and just enough to get us through the drive.
Alright, you guys, so we made it after a 6+ hour drive. I'm just gonna give you a quick scope of the place. It's small, it's quaint, but it's absolutely perfect. It's the Killa Dilla view. Like, can you believe how insane this is?
After we arrived, I quickly changed and we went to lunch. I got a fried shrimp basket, which just had fried shrimp and french fries. I had a cup of water first to rehydrate after the long drive before going back and actually having a sweet tea, which was really good. After that, we actually took a quick walk down the pier, which was just stunning.
You know what we're doing? We're whipping in the kitchen.
Action. So what we got is crackers, the essentials. These are really good. And then we have some whipped cream cheese flavor. We've got some salami. We've got some smoked Norwegian salmon slices, only the best. And then we also have this antipasto trio, which has two sets of salami and then some prosciutto as well. So we're gonna set it up on our cute little plate. Drink some wine. Drink some beer.
Our little cheese and meat plate. We're about to tear that on up. Got some cream cheese as well. God of mercy. About to go in.
So get this. Get the salami. Like the cheese is sharp, I think. Pickles.
Lying about 9/11.
He never got it right.
But I was telling the truth.
But you wouldn't know about that now, would you, Mr.
On vacation right now, watching Veggie. After watching the sunrise, I drank my water. Time for some coffee. I woke up feeling pretty good today. I did start my day with some water before having coffee. My mom got this caramel macchiato creamer, which was perfect for this trip, and I was pleasantly surprised with how good it tasted. I'd also decided to marinate some steaks. We bought these with us from home so we can have them for dinner one day or lunch even. Just some basic seasoning was all that was available, but I'm grateful. After my walk on the beach, I drank some more water and I ended up having a bagel thin or a bagel skinny with some whipped cream cheese, smoked salmon, and drizzle some mustard dill sauce on top for breakfast. I love these bagel thins because they're satisfying without like feeling too over full. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but a regular size bagel, it feels like too much for me to eat.
What's up, Mom?
Today we also went to the Sea Turtle and Rescue Rehabilitation Center, and I learned so much and honestly had so much fun seeing and learning about turtles.
This will show you kind of the expected.
Check out my main channel this Friday for a full travel vlog. For lunch, after visiting all the cute little turtles, we went to a restaurant called Daddy Mac's Beach Grill. I started off with a glass of Moscato and some water, of course, and then for an appetizer we went with the hibachi shrimp. For my meal, I ended up getting broiled scallops, shrimp, and french fries, which I ate with a sea turtle mojito. $1 from every drink actually goes to the Sea Turtle Rehabilitation and Rescue Center we had just visited. No lie, these were probably the best scallops I've had in years. So soft, so buttery, so meaty. If you love scallops, and you know what I mean.
Having a midday cup of coffee because it's actually, I'm chilly here. Getting some work done, filming as you can see, and this is my view right now.
It was after lunch, after my midday cup of coffee, that I realized I was behind on taking my vitamins, so I ended up just taking them all at once.
I feel so fancy, like, sorry, the ocean's too loud, like, who am I? She's classy. And then I also have club soda as well to switch it up. My mom bought a big, like a 32-ounce for us to share. These are the best chips. Don't fight me. Don't at me. It was a fact.
For dinner that night, of course, we ended up cooking the steaks. Here's a tip: if you're going on a road trip, you can bring frozen meat with you during your trip and it travels well in a cooler. Our steaks were still frozen in our cooler after a 6-hour drive. Of course, we had ice in there, but they were still good and frozen. So if you're trying to save some money or even just eat healthily, that is an option. It was nice to have a break from going out that night and cook in. As much as I love eating out, I love eating in more. We just ended up eating them with some broccoli we picked up from the grocery store, and then also just some sliced tomato. Bringing food with you on vacation is a great way to cut your costs and also stay on track with your diet. You can eat out and be healthy, but it's almost never as healthy as cooking from home, as you can't know every single thing that they are putting in your foods, like excess oils, butters, or even sauces to add flavor, and those calories add up. Just keep that in mind whenever you go on vacation. You can always bring snacks and food from home. Made sure to get some water in first thing this morning as per usual with some lemon. I always try to make drinking water a priority on vacation, even though I don't always hit my goal. All I can tell y'all, if y'all haven't had a morning walk on the beach, make sure you try and do that at least once in your life. They hit different. It's just so refreshing, breathing in the fresh air, listening to the sound of the waves, and even seeing other people out there having a good time.
Oh my god, I'm going through something right now. I forgot to film this morning, but I had some water this morning, and after my beautiful walk on the beach, which I shared with you guys, I ended up making a sandwich with some steak from last night. So I had steak with some of that cheese on top, and then also a little bit of mayo on 2 slices of bread. Honestly, it was really good and really filling. Now I'm having my midday cup of coffee that I've reheated like 3 times because I had to go back and forth to the laundromat to do 1 load of laundry before we head home tomorrow. I haven't been hitting 10,000 steps the last couple days. I've been hitting like 6, 7K. Which I'm still happy with. I would love to hit 10K, but I'll be honest, it's like not the biggest priority. I'm just gonna like trying to be here, be in the moment, enjoy myself, also have some balance. So as usual, I also have a glass of lemon water. I squeezed some lemon in here. I'm gonna have a little snack. We're doing more of a early dinner, late lunch, so that we can spend a majority of the evening just cleaning up things and getting ready to leave tomorrow. So I've been working on water all day, trying to stay hydrated. My skin's acting out because my period's coming. So we got a snack. We got that big, chunky, spicy sauce. And this one is the hot kind, because we like it thick, chunky, and hot. And
Y'all see that? Y'all see that? We got these corn tortilla chips and we are cracking it up.
After snacking for a bit, we ended up going for a very early dinner. We ended up going to this amazing restaurant off the bay called Sears Landing. I had some tasty sangria with one of my favorite wines, Moscato. For an appetizer, we ended up getting these West Indies seafood rolls, and when I tell you guys, this is one of the best appetizers I've had in a very long time. It was so freaking good.
What is that? Is that cream cheese for real? It tastes like cream cheese.
I'm not sure that it's cream cheese, but
Some kind of cheese. It's
yeah,
really
it
gooey.
probably is.
These are really good.
I also got some grilled scallops, grilled asparagus, and some french fries as well. Y'all can probably tell by now I definitely have a thing for scallops. They are by far my favorite seafood. I definitely like to indulge any chance I get to order them, especially when I'm close to the water, because you can just taste the quality.
What y'all thinking of food?
Yum.
Plain?
After dinner, we went to an ice cream place where I got 2 very large scoops of my favorite strawberry ice cream. It was honestly so good, but also way too much after that filling dinner. My favorite part is the cone, so I ended up getting rid of some of the ice cream off the top so that I can enjoy the cone part. Y'all, I love me a good vacation, no lie. I feel so blessed and grateful to have been able to go on this vacation, but I'm always ready to go back home at the end of every vacation, if you know what I mean. Back to my routines and schedules, which I know will allow me to feel my best. Eating out this much definitely takes a toll on how I feel, and that's something that's very noticeable. I had such a great time on this vacation. I stayed up later than I'm used to. I also drank more wine than I'm used to. And I'm very excited to get back to my routines and get back to my schedules. After a nice vacation, I definitely enjoy getting everything set and ready to succeed health-wise. When I get back, I did go to the store after we got back mid-afternoon, restocked all the vegetables, and ended up making some frijoles de la olla for dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up because that supports me and my channel, which I'm so grateful for. And of course, subscribe for more of me, more inspiration, and leave me a comment below to let me know you dropped by. I love you guys, so appreciative of you. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.